Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 910. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we will address a common issue, the USB-C port on your Lenovo Yoga 910 not functioning correctly. This problem can occur due to wear and tear, debris getting lodged inside, or even damage from frequent use. If left unattended, it could lead to more significant issues, such as the inability to charge your device or connect to external displays, which can disrupt your workflow significantly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement USB-C port specifically designed for the Lenovo Yoga 910. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the laptop. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that secure the cover in place. Once the back cover is removed, locate the USB-C port on the motherboard. It should be near the center of the device. Gently disconnect any cables that may obstruct access to the port. You may need to remove a few screws securing the USB-C port in place. These are typically small Phillips screws, so ensure you're using the right screwdriver. When removing the screws, apply consistent but gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Carefully lift the old USB-C port from its position, ensuring you don't damage nearby components. Once you have removed it, take your new USB-C port and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is firmly in place. Reconnect any cables you had to detach earlier, being cautious not to pull too hard on them. Before sealing the back cover, it's advisable to power on your device to check if the new port is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything works as expected, carefully replace the back cover, pressing down until you hear the clip snap back into place. To prevent this issue from occurring again, be sure to keep your USB-C port clean and free from debris. Consider using a dust cover when the port is not in use, and avoid using excessive force when plugging in cables. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.